Hey Glam Squad, my name is Jamie. I'm the owner of Glam Event Rental, which is a party rental company that's located in Dallas, Texas. And in today's video, what I'm doing is a balloon garland, and I'm just going to take you guys along with me as I do this setup. So I'm doing an Encanto themed balloon garland, and this is for my 7-year-old niece. And I'm using the Tough Tex brand balloons in the size 17. The colors that I'm using are mustard, plum purple, hot pink, and teal. And then I'll also add in some 5-inch balloons at the end first for an accent.
Talking about all your timelines. Just cut it all into my time. Fuck what they talking about on your timeline. Just cut it all into my time. My time is your
So I was trying to show my progress so far, but like always, my brother came in the room and was harassing me. But anyway, this is what it looks like so far. The mess is always worse before it gets better. These are the Encanto cutouts that I purchased from Party City. They come in size 3 feet, 4 feet, and 5 feet. I have them in the 5 feet, and the last time I checked, they were listed at $40 each. Now that I have most of my balloons blown up, I'm just going in with the Zepco OmniFlex 10-pound fishing line, and that's the method that I prefer, and this is what I'm going to use to string together my balloon garland. I started out using clusters of 2 balloons, but then later on I switched over to using clusters of 4 balloons. I feel like when you're using 2 balloons, it's just easier to control the shape of the balloon garland. So after I got my initial arch shape going, then I went ahead and switched over to 4 clusters, and I finished out the balloon garland that way because it goes a lot faster with 4. So in order to get the balloon garland to get that tight look, so that there's not a lot of gaps in between, you just kind of take each cluster and then take the necks of the balloons where they're tied together and pull one set of clusters closer to the next set, and then take your fishing line and wrap it around.
Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping.
Now that I've gotten a good portion of the top part of my garland done, I'm just going in and positioning where I want the backdrop to be to make sure that my garland is going to be long enough to fit.
Please say something. Lying by the glass, man, a cheapskate, huh? Niggas gotta move on my release day, huh? Bitch, this is fame, not clout. I don't even know what that's about. Watch your mouth. Baby got an ego twice the size of the crib. I can never tell the shit, it is what it is. Said what I had to and did what I did. Never turn my back on every G, God forbid. Virgil got the paddock on my wrist, doing front flips, giving you my number, but don't hit me on no dumb shit. Working on the weekend like usual. off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping, was okay, so what? Someone hit the block of my tape, froze us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush.
Whooped it, bitch, I'm outside of some movie. Blue cheese, I swear I'm addicted to blue cheese. I gotta stick to this paper like blue sleep. Bitch, I'm by my chicken like it's a two-piece. You can have your bitch back, she a groupie.
Now that I have the length right, I'm just taking some black 260s. These are just some little cheap ones that I purchased on Amazon, and I'm gonna use these to secure my balloon garland to my backdrop stand.
Spin back with a full clip. They say I'm with a full clip. And my shooters, they shooting. I won't take it, they go for it. I get the breeze, then it's adios. If I'm with your trees, then she give it though. When I see police, then we gang low. That's another piece, that's another zone. Ice in the VV, now she down to get treachy. I got all this water on me like Fiji. Bitch, I'm posted up with hats and the sleazies. Smoking the Zaza, they go straight to the Mata. Then I'm up in the chopper, hitting the cha-cha. Open his tata, then he dancing my cha-cha. Open his Zaza, they go straight to the Mata. Then I'm up in the chopper, hitting the cha-cha. Then I'm open his tata, then he dancing my cha-cha. Whooped it, bitch, I'm outside of some movie. Blue cheese, I swear I'm addicted to blue cheese. I gotta stick to this paper like blue sleep. Bitch, I'm by my chicken like it's a two-piece. You can have your bitch back, she a groupie. She just swallow all my kids in a two-seat. Swagged out, familiar, we bringing them gas out. I still got some racks stuffed in the trap house. Off the 42, I'm blowing her back out. I'm back on my bullshit, spin back with a full clip. They say I'm with a full clip, and my shooters, they shooting. I won't take it, they go for it. Swagged out, familiar, we bringing them gas out. I still got some racks stuffed in the trap house. Off the 42, I'm blowing her back out. Bullshit, spin back with a full clip. They say I'm with a full clip, and my shooters, they shooting. I won't take it, they shooting.
I said, skirt on niggas, skirt up on niggas, skirt down, you acting like me, acting like we wasn't more than a summer fling. I said farewell, you took it well, promise I won't cry, but spill milk. Need a paper towel, give me another value, give me another hour or two. I'll war with you. Why you bother me when you know you don't want me? Why you bother me when you know you got a woman? Why you hit me when you know better? Know you know better. Know you cool better than you do. Call me looking for you. I'll be looking for you. Got me looking forward to weekend. Sure, baby. Sure, baby. Sure, baby. We do whatever we want, go wherever we want, love however we want. It don't matter. You do whatever I want, get whatever I want, get whatever I need. It's about love, 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 love. I guess we got love, love. Never give you my number, I did it with you. Should never let you hit it, I split it with you. I regret it, you got a fetish, you got a problem. Now it's a problem, oh no. Skirt on beaches, don't know these features. Think dirt on beaches, do it for fun. Don't take it personal, baby. Love on my ladies, love to my ladies. Dated a few.
Why you bugging me? Why you bugging me? Why you bugging me? Last time I checked, you were the one that left me here. Like my side of the road. That's that most city, that side that you can't go around at night. You like to get me out, you know what, no, I'm beside.
Now, as you can see, I've gotten the entire base of the garland done, and then the next thing I'm going to do is start inflating my 5-inch balloons and making those into clusters and then get those added on.
That was real.
Now that I've gotten all of my 5-inch balloons blown up, what I did was made them into clusters of 4, took a 260 and tied a cluster to each end of the 260, and then I'm adding them onto my garland. And here is the final setup. Balloon garland is done and all of the cutouts are put up and arranged. So this is the birthday girl's initial reaction to seeing her whole birthday setup. I think she was very happy. I think she loved it. And then the rest of the kids came down and they saw it too. So that is it for this video. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions for me, leave it in the comments below. And if you want to see more videos from me, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And I'll see you guys in the next video.